Nacho Springs, and you are welcome to this video where I will show you how to make money online in 2020 without stress or prior experience. Now this is what I'm going to be showing you in this particular video, how you can start making money online in 2021 without stress or any prior experience. Now I would like you to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I normally release videos where I give you tutorials and training about how to get started. I also offer opportunities that you can use to make a ton of money online. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and as we go on to start in how you can get started. Okay, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell to always be notified when I release new videos. Now before you start thinking about how am I going to make money online, I want you to consider these particular things that I'm going to be listing, because these are the things that you should know if you want to truly make money online come 2021 without any experience or prior experience or stress free. This is how you are going to make money online. What I want you to first do is this is the mistake that most people make when it comes to making money online. They fail to build their online presence. I want you to understand that the people you are meeting online, they are human beings and they want to relate with you on a human level. So if you want to make massive ton of money online come 2021 stress free and with no experience, I want you to start now to build your online presence. And how do you build your online presence? Optimize your social media pages. This is the first thing that I need you to do, and this is also the first thing that people miss. They miss doing. They go ahead and start telling people buy from me, buy from me, but when people actually try to connect with you, they have nothing to show. There is nothing. Your social media pages is not palatable or good enough for them to communicate with you. So what I want you to do in first, by optimizing your online presence, is optimize your social media pages. Please go back to your Facebook profile, your Twitter profile, your Instagram profile. Go back and optimize it. You can see how my own is looking. To take a nice picture of yourself, put a feature image, a background image that describes what you do. Okay, put a bio that describes what you do. Now anybody that looks me up, Donato Springs, on Facebook and sees my profile, they are automatically going to want to do business with me because it's professionally outlined. It states what I do. Okay, so this is the first way that you have to optimize you have to establish your online presence if you are just starting out, and this will save you a lot of stress because it will position you as a professional, and it will also make you likable to people, because when people like you, they can freely and easily give you their money. Okay, so the first step is optimize your social media pages. The second step is have a landing page or an online profile. Have an online profile or a landing page. Now, and remember, this particular video is specifically for beginners. Okay, so what I want you to do now is just hop on to about.me, and you can create a free online profile. You can see how my free online profile looks on, and the link is about.me/I'm Donato Springs. Now anybody that wants to get more information about me, I can easily send them this link and they can see everything about me, including how to contact me, how to connect with me, my contact detail, my information, my work experience, my portfolio. Everything is organized in one place. So this is how you set up an online presence. But most people they neglect these things, and this is why they are struggling in being profitable, because these are the little pieces that makes you successful in your endeavor. Okay, moving. So this is how the website looks like. The URL is about.me, and you can see the URL right here on the screen. You can see the URL right here on the screen. So about.me, you can easily grow your audience and get more clients by creating a free landing page. As a beginner, I advise you to use this particular platform to get started and create your online presence immediately. Okay, so this is also another site that's owned by the Nigerian. The URL is dishia.ng, dishia.ng. So you can create your one page website, and the beauty of this using dishia.ng is that you can get started with your mobile phone. That's amazing. That's amazing. So you don't need any coding knowledge, you don't need any development knowledge, you don't need any experience. You can get started and start doing amazing things immediately. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Immediately you are done watching this video, I want you to go out there and start implementing immediately. Oh, great. Okay, awesome. So what again, after you are done building your online presence by optimizing your social media profile and getting your landing page or your online profile set up using about.me or dishia.ng, the next thing I want you to do is start joining Facebook groups, start joining groups and forums. And what are you going to be doing in those groups and forums? You are going to be sharing value based on that your area of expertise. Okay, sharing value. For example, me, Donatus Prince, I'm an online business consultant. So the particular group I'm going to be joining is business owners group, entrepreneurs group, small business owners. So these are the groups where my knowledge and expertise is greatly needed. So whatever you are doing, find related groups and join on Facebook. Just simply go to Facebook, go to the search button and search that particular keyword. If it's relationship, search relationship. It's going to give you tons and tons and tons of group. If it's marriage, if it's parenting, if it's baking, if it's anything, there are lots and lots of groups out there that you can join where your expertise is really needed. And all you have to do is, once you are in this group, once you are in these platforms, you start sharing value. Go to sites like answerthepublic.com. You will get tons of questions that people are asking on the relevant subject. Start answering that question, and the more you answer those questions, you begin to connect to these people that are having this problem, and that is how they begin to connect with you. Okay, awesome. So how do you make it big online? How do you make it big online? Listen, I'm giving you the little principles that people neglect. I'm giving you the little principles that people neglect. How do you make it big online? The only way you make it big online is that people, first of all, they have to see you as an expert before they can pay you for what you're worth. So if you want to be seen as an expert, if you want to make the big money online, you have to position yourself first as an expert for people to now pay you what you are worth. Okay, and how do you do this? I share with you a principle here. Start sharing value, both your network of influence, both your friends on Facebook. Start sharing value, start solving a specific problem that is related to your expertise. Start solving that problem on your profiles. Start doing free webinars. Start organizing free WhatsApp classes. Start sharing tons and tons of value. Listen, in the beginning, you have to share tons and tons of value before people will now begin to view you like an expert, before they can be able to pay you an expert's reward. Okay? Awesome. Now, the next thing I want you to do is learn how to explore partnerships and build your network. Now you've optimized your social media profile, you've built your landing page, your online profile, you have joined groups, you're now sharing value. Listen, automatically you're going to, at this point, you're going to start connecting with people. Listen, this is actually how I first got my client that paid me $800 from the United States. This is how I got my first client. So I just broke down these principles about how you can employ it and explore partnerships and build your network. When you explore partnerships, the client partnerships, invest in quality relationship. Listen, that $800 client referred me to another client that paid me $1,500 for a project. So that is what I mean by invest in quality relationship. If you know the people that are already where you want to be, partner with them, build your network, surround yourself with people that are of like mind, people that are going where you are going, or people that are already where you want to be. Part of the things that helped elevate me in this year 2020 was I discovered the people that have what I was looking for, and I immediately connected with them. Okay, so you have to be open. When I say explore, you have to be open to opportunity. You have to be on the lookout for strategic partnerships. Listen, this year 2020, I've done strategic partnership. I've taken strategic certifications. Strategically, I've positioned myself because I know what I'm looking for. I am building my network, and I know the benefit of building quality relationship in business. That is the only way you can grow fast. Okay, but most people don't know about this. They are not going to teach you this, but this is the exact same process that I have. This is the third pattern that enabled me to make a lot of money in this year 2020, despite no experience or no prior knowledge. And if you can implement these particular principles into your 2021, you are going to make a killing. So where do you start? First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss any video or tutorial that I release about how you can be successful in your online business endeavors. Number two, I released a video about the 3 online businesses you can start today with zero capital and make a lot of money in 2021. So go back to my channel, watch all the previous tutorials that I've dropped, all the amazing videos that I've dropped, because that is where you are going to get started. That is where you're going to get insight that is going to help move you forward. And remember, all the videos right there are for free, at least for now. Okay, they are for free, so go back and watch all those videos. And if you have any question, remember to put your questions in the comment section, and I will be glad to answer all your questions. And if you have any topic that you want me to cover, kindly send me an email to donatosprince@gmail.com, or leave your questions in the comment section, and I will do well to do a video on that particular subject. All right, so this is where we come to the end of this video. I hope you got value. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, comment how impactful it was to you. So see you on the next video. My name remains Donato Springs, and remember, I'm your online business consultant. See you on the next video.